Alright, today we're going to do a video of an OKAMOTO OGM-820. It is serial number 25067. It has the FANUC MDI control. Your grinding wheel is running right now. This is your in and out or your x-axis, just jogging. Nice and quiet. Nice and smooth. You have your z-axis, which is your table left and right. You can speed and slow that down on the control. It is ball screw driven. Your work head is also variable. You can see here. It's about 150 RPM. It's about 350 RPM. This machine is equipped with the multiple ODs. It has a coolant system. It's presently wired 220 volts. It can be seen under power in our Harrison, New Jersey warehouse. Thank you for watching.